Vice President of RPI Athawale Sapamcha Kangleipal has drawn the attention of Manipur governor to intervene in the dispute concerning the road construction of 15-kilometer long Napet-Andro Khoibu road under Lamlai constituency, which could not be materialized despite the issuance of tender notice in 2023. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, Kangleipal highlighted the hardships and inconveniences faced by commuters on daily basis due to the pathetic condition of this road stretch. Informed that a dispute arose after the tender was issued in March 2023 and subsequently court had issued a stay order due to the dispute. A memorandum was submitted today to Manipur governor to intervene and resolve the matter at the earliest so that people are entitled to safe and comfortable road. He urged the governor to allow PWD department to negotiate in the matter and to start the road construction work at the earliest.
Lona Putna Miam stayed land the Lanjin Biramba Haikare. Monsieur Sukumati came there, and I got from the Masada Tineri Chado Miam there. Chahi and he said, Ariam the Wahal Biramba Haikare. Aduna, I honorable governor, lady the details in Jayasi, memorandum of more in that Senator Julia Haikare. Aduna, I quite a honorable governor gave Uniting Century said, see, I'm covered with the community. Aduna percent ruling is data equivalent share. Already sanctioned Larava, budget Larava, tender Loigrava, Lambi share, Tuxandi Raga, Yam share, Awam is very can you hide in the economy and centuries.